Hi guys, are you dreaming of creating professional social media videos using AI and for free? So in today's video, I'm going to show you an awesome website to do that with no cost at you at all. Now, let's begin by going to Google, and here you can type in search bar motion as you see. Then you can jump to the first result, motion. Turn your ideas into visual stories. Click over it. Then you'll be taken to this amazing website where you can join it using your Gmail or Discord account. And here in this homepage of this amazing Notion platform, you can find two options. Either you can generate from prompt. Here you can insert your description of your story you want to generate here, or the other one, use my content, or you can use your script that you had written before in ChatGPT or Gemini.Google and so on. So in today's video, I'm gonna try this one, generate from prompt. Click over it. And here in this style, you can insert your description or your prompt, in other words, and it give you flexible characters, 20,000. And this ratio of your video you wanna generate. Here you can generate a regular video with these dimensions as you see, or TikTok videos, or Pinterest, or Instagram videos. Here you can output language. There is two different languages, English and Chinese. And here for tone, neutral, and variety of these tones, humor and satire, children's, business, academic, and others. And the best part here in this storyteller website, here you can find this style and mode of your images in your story and your video. Here you can find plethora of these styles, starting with retro comics, photorealistic, 3D cartoons, anime, painting, faded film, clay art, and so on and so forth. And of course, it's a beautiful variety of these styles to generate different types of your videos for social media and YouTube shorts, like for 3D cartoon, photorealistic, and retro comics. So you can generate your stories and your video for social media in different niches, in different topics, like for bedtime stories, for horror films, for funny facts, and so on. And then you can find some examples, like you can generate 5 fun facts about the nature, introduce the history of Japan, 10 motivational quotes trending on social media, and so forth. So you can copy one of them to generate your social media like these styles, or you can insert anyone that comes in your mind. So for example, just I want to generate a social media account and social media videos based on horror niche. So what about creating a story video about something like don't open the door at the night. Okay, it's a scary story, for example. Okay, don't open the door at the night, something like that, nightmare, and something for horrifying story. Then I just selected this dimension for Pinterest and TikTok videos. Select English, neutral tone. And what about selecting a style that is retro comics, for example? Okay, and now we can jump to this button, generate. And of course, for every single video you want to generate, just it costs 20 credits. In this free plan on motion.com, you got 200 credits. So here it generates storyboard, and here you can find your video will consist of different scenes as you see. Every single scene consists of an image by the AI of this amazing platform, and this is script of this scene as you observe. And for every single scene you send on, you can find different options below that. Either you can regenerate this AI generated image if you don't like it, or you can upload one from your browser or from your device. From this option, use asset, or you can animate this photo, but this option is for premium users. Or you can download this image as you like, of course, without any watermark. And likewise for every single scene in this video. As you see, 16 scenes in your story, The Haunting of Thorn Village. So now click over this button next. Here you can select the style of your title. You can make it this one or this one or this one. Subtitle, so we can make it this one. Thumbnail or your cover image for your video. Scene effect, mini zoom, it's perfect one. Or Ken Perns. Scene transitions between every scene, fade in out, cross blur, slide, flash, and so on. So I just selected this one. It's awesome. Fade in out. And for voiceover, you can select one of these options. It's educational or witty, new cast male, or just movie narration, male or female. So I just selected this male. Then click over this button, composite. And now it's to combine all these scenes together in one video. And here you will get your summary or description of your video to publish that in your social media, TikTok, Pinterest, and so on. Besides some hashtags, as you see, like nightmare, terror, ancient curse, and so on. And you're done. You can find two different options, buttons, video. You can download this video for free without any watermark to be published later on your social media. You can download a thumbnail individually, and you can download the zip file or the storyboard of your video. That would be text that contains your script and the whole script of your video, in addition to the all scenes and all AI generated images. So just we can download this video to try it, and we can see that it would be watermark or not.
It was said that many years ago, a woman named Alara was wrongfully accused of witchcraft.
Perfect one.
The curse had manifested in the form
with no watermark around. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.